Here we are looking at ICPA. This is the 60-minute chart. Very nice looking chart. Had a few questions on it, and then pulling it up, thought, hey, look at this chart. It looks real good. Makes a good little real life example, real time example, which in my opinion is much better than what you can find in any textbook. So we'll just start off with that, and that also will lead us just in where the support levels are. But if you were to ask me, could you find me a chart that provides a good example of how an uptrend should look and how consolidations should work, then ICPA 60-minute view is just a great looking chart. So if we look through here, you can see move up, boring period. But remember, boring period is where the chart builds strength. Move up, boring period. Of course, this was real excited. So big move up, boring period, another move up, and now once again in another boring period. And then after this last hour, it looks like we may be breaking out of it. But the point I'm trying to show is that prices can't go straight up, and as obvious as that is and sounds, there's many people where as soon as the price stops going up, it's the end of the world. But for anybody in ICPA, hopefully you've learned the lesson now, that because there's literally been four of them, 4 boring periods, aka consolidation periods, where a higher base has been built, and every time it's gone up. Now that doesn't mean that it's going to keep going up and up until it's at $600 a share, but the point being, you can see how consolidation should work. So a good example there. And on the same note, where are the levels of support? Well, as things have shown, there's been some good support here at the 20 period, something moving average. But the key support that you ideally want to see the price maintain above, which it's had no problem of doing, is this purple line here, which is the 50 period simple moving average. It got kind of close, but not really, a couple days ago, or actually today, during this hour here, but put in the nice doji. Then you can see the results of that. So really, as long as the price remains above the 50 period, which again is this purple line, then the overall chart's gonna remain very attractive. In terms of support level, or resistances, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Just simply this previous high here, which is up at 0.0275. So 0.0275 is the current previous high, which makes it the current level of resistance that you want to see the price get through. So that'll be the area to keep an eye on. And if the price gets above there, then it has put in yet another higher high, and that's the name of the game when it comes to uptrend. So overall, good looking chart, and the 50 period is going to be the one level to watch and keep your eye on, because as the chart is shown, as long as it can keep chugging along above there, the chart's going to look very attractive. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this is ICPA. Thanks for listening.